Hi there everyone, welcome to today's video with me, your beloved instructor, Miss Stacy. And I'm so excited to dive into these important driving concepts with you today. My goal is to help you truly understand these rules of the road, so you can become a confident, safety-conscious driver. Remember, the more you understand these road rules, the better equipped you'll be to handle any situation that comes your way on the road. So guys, let's approach this lesson with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Alright, now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's get into it. Ooh, wait, just one more little tiny thing I would kindly ask of you to do for me. Please take a moment to subscribe to this video and hit on that notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of my latest content. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So go on right away and be a dear and hit that subscribe button. Have you done it? Excellent, and thank you so very much for doing that if you just did subscribe. So the question of the day states, which car goes first? In today's video, we have what we call a T-Junction. And obviously I'm going to discuss about the road rules that govern a T-Junction intersection in a bit. But for now, I just want us to appreciate that we have three cars here, and that's the white car, the green car, and the yellow car, as you can probably see on the screen. We have the white car and green car, which are in the main road, and the white car intends to go straight whilst the green car aims to turn left at this intersection. Then we also have the yellow car coming up on this intersection from a side road intending to turn left there. So we are looking for the car which goes first, and that's ultimately the car which has the right of way at this intersection. So can you guess which one is it? Well, as always, I'm going to give you some little time for you to think it over and come up with your own correct answer. So let's say 15 seconds, and I believe that should be enough time, right? So your time starts now. See you in a bit. Welcome back. Now, to solve this question, we need to understand the ultimate road rule that governs a T-junction intersection. At a T-junction intersection, you should always yield for oncoming traffic traveling straight through ahead and always turn left after that car is already passed. Now, applying that road rule to this scenario, we can appreciate that the green car has to yield right of way to the white car, which is traveling straight through the T-junction intersection. So with that logic, we can now understand that the white car is the one that goes first. But wait, which car goes second and which car also goes last at this intersection? Well, to answer that question, we need to just understand that the green car is approaching from the right of the yellow car, which ultimately means that the yellow car should yield its right of way to the green car. That basically means it's the green car which goes second and the yellow car is the one to go last. That's it, guys, for this intersection. I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please don't leave this video without giving it a like or sharing it with your friends. So thank you so much for watching till we meet again next time. Goodbye and enjoy the rest of your day.